Alright, so I thought I would do something a little bit different in this video, but I thought I would just go over the top 10 girls and boys names from 2019 and pronounce them for you so you can kind of get an idea of how these names are pronounced in Finnish. So they have two lists. One of them is just most popular names in general. The other one is most popular first names. So I believe the distinction comes because in Finland it's quite common to have middle names. So even I have a middle name and that's separate from your first and your last name. So it's kind of like a first name. It's not really a first name. I think you have these in other countries too, where you have like your first name, and then you might have like one or more middle names before your last name. So yeah, but I'm just gonna go over the list of first names is what the title is. Ensimmäiset etunimet. So the first names. So for example, mine would be Katja. Yeah. So for girls, the most common first name in 2019 was Aino. 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 And the second one was Ada. 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 The third one is Sofia. 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 Then we have Eevi. Eevi. Then we have Olivia. 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 Then we have number 6, Lilja. 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 Number 7, Helmi. Helmi actually means pearl. Helmi. Helmi. Then we have Ellen. Ellen. And number 9, Emilia. 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 And then number 10, Ella. 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 All right, and then the top 10 boys' first names. Number 1 in 2019 was Leo. Sorry, I feel a bit parched right now. Ooh. Leo. 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 Then we have Elias. Elias. And then third place, Oliver. 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 Then we have Eino. Eino. And 5, Väinö. 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 Then number 6, Eli. 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 And then we have Noel. Noel. Number 9. 9. 8. Leevi. 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 Then number 9, 9. Onni, which means luck. Onni. Onni. And then Hugo. 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 And yeah, so I think those are more kind of more modern-ish, I guess, more popular just in that year. If you want to look at the list for all given first names, so including middle names, I guess, those names include some that are also a bit more evergreen names, such as for the girls, the number 1 is Maria, which I think I read some article that Maria's been like in the list for like since the 1800s, 1890 or something. So it's a very old name, or it's been around for a long time. Whereas some of these other ones might be a bit more newer, but yeah. If you want to take a look at the list, I'll leave them in the link below. Hopefully this was, you know, kind of interesting at least. And yeah, I guess that just about concludes this video. So till next time.